Oh, let's talk about the remove one element to make array strictly increasing. So yeah, pretty straightforward. You can only remove one, at most one, the element to make array strictly increasing. If there are more than one, you return false. So what does strictly increasing mean? You want to make sure this satisfied. So less than equal, like equal doesn't count. Like it only has to be less than, right? So let's look about this scenario. 1, 2, 10, 5, 7. You can remove 10 to make the array strictly increasing. So this will return true. But what happens if I 1, 2, 2, 10, 7? Right? Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 2, 5, 7. Making my so 1, 2, 2, 5, 7. At this location, your previous value is 2, right? Your previous value is 2, then you want to make sure I did it myself, right? To make the array strictly increasing. So I will have to reset my pre to me because I'm actually comparing this one. Oh wait, I'm comparing this one and this one, and they are the same, right? They are the same. I'm going to say, oh, I have to know the next value is going to compare with me, 2, right? So this will be it. All right. So here's another problem. So what happens if I 2, 2, 5, 7, right? 2, 2 are the same, and then basically, like you want to know, you want to reset the value to 2, so you can consider 5. When you 5 compare with the previous value, it has to be 2. And also, if this is happening, we know that there's a going down condition, which is not strictly increasing. So we need to have a counter, count plus plus and this. And if there are 2 elements in the array which does not satisfy strictly increasing, we return false. And one of the scenario for this is what? So let's look at this. So if we traverse from 1 to 10, this is strictly increasing. But at some point, we traverse 1 to 10, 5, right? At this position, my previous value is what? Is 10. Then I want to consider, okay, does my 5 greater than I minus 2? Which is going to be 2, right? If this is true, then I want to set my, okay, so I already dropped this one, right? I want to set my pre equal to 5, not the 10. 10 is already dropped, so set the pre equal to 5. So this will be two conditions. One is you say I compare with I minus 2. The other condition is at the beginning when I equal to 1, right? You don't want to say, okay, I want to say I minus 2. Now there's no value over here. This is index 0, right? So the pre reset is pretty important. So let's look at the code. So you definitely have a previous value, pre, right? I'm going to say pre equal to num set 0, and also I'm using my diff to count, right? Diff. So for in I equal to 1, I less than num stop length, and then I plus plus. So if pre is greater or equal to num set I, like this is not a strictly increasing condition, else this is definitely a strictly increasing condition, and I need to make sure I know where's my previous value, right? So pre equal to this value. So if this is not strictly a condition, I'm going to increment my dip value, and if dip is actually equal to 2, which means this is not a valid array, right? You want to return false. Alright, so here's condition. You want to make sure you reset your pre. So this is reset pre for the condition. So if I equal to 1, or num set I is greater than num set I minus 2, right? You want to say pre equal to num set I. So the one condition is 2, 2, 5, 7, and another condition is going to be 1, 2, 10, I'm going to get rid of comma 1, 2, 10, 5, 7, right? So this is how you reset your previous value, and at the end you want to return true. So these are the two conditions you want to reset the previous value. Yeah. Submit. Alright, so for time and space, this is space constant time. This is time, all of them, right? And let's look at the debug mode just in case you're confused. So at least condition the I equal to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 will be here. So when we jump to the next value, next line, that we want to make sure my pref get updated, right? So pref equal to 5. Alright, so yeah, and then let's keep going, and the alien I want to return true, something like this. Yeah. What happened to this condition? 1, 2, 2, 5, 7. Start debugging. Alright, at index 1, so I don't have the I minus 2 value, right? And then I will make sure my pre get reset because I equal to 1, right? And then pre equal to 2, still 2, right? Alright. So this will be it, and then finish it, right? Return true. Okay, so if you still have question, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.